Some legacies are etched in steel and rust, waiting for a chance to tell their story once more. This is not just a tale of restoration. It is a resurrection, a collaboration between human hands and artificial intelligence to awaken a giant that has slumbered for nearly a century. This is the story of a 1923 Kelly-Springfield truck and its journey from a forgotten relic to a rolling testament of history reborn. In the quiet corners of a dimly lit garage, it sat shrouded in dust and silence. The 1923 Kelly-Springfield was a ghost, its form barely visible beneath a century's worth of decay. Rusted metal bled into weathered wood, and shattered glass held the fragmented reflections of a forgotten era. It was more than a vehicle. It was a time capsule, a silent witness to a world long past. The challenge we set was audacious, to not only restore this automotive titan, but to do so by merging the soul of old-world craftsmanship with the precision of artificial intelligence. Through digital scans and virtual modeling, we began to map out a path to bring this mechanical phantom back into the light. The first step was deconstruction, a delicate dance with decay. Every bolt, every panel, every fragment of its former self was meticulously removed, catalogued, and analyzed. With each piece, the true extent of time's unforgiving march was revealed. Corroded components crumbled at the slightest touch, and fragile parts threatened to disintegrate, turning the disassembly into a high-stakes surgical procedure. This was a process of discovery, uncovering the secrets and scars hidden within its frame, a necessary autopsy before any hope of revival could begin. Then came the resurrection. Each individual part embarked on its own journey of renewal. The rhythmic hiss of sandblasters stripped away the rust, revealing the raw potential beneath. Traditional tools met modern innovation as we repaired and reinforced what could be salvaged. For what was lost to time, we turned to the future. Robotic arms and advanced machining fabricated new components with micron-perfect accuracy, creating pristine replicas that were indistinguishable from the originals. This fusion of techniques ensured that the truck's historical integrity was preserved while its structural soundness was guaranteed for the next 100 years. At the core of this mechanical beast lay its heart, the engine. The rebuild was an intricate ballet of pistons, gears, and valves. Sparks flew as our team, guided by AI-driven diagnostics, pieced together the complex machinery. It was a painstaking process demanding intense concentration and unwavering precision. Slowly, methodically, the inert block of iron began to resemble the powerhouse it once was, each component a note in a symphony of mechanical rebirth, building towards a powerful crescendo. Simultaneously, the truck's body and soul were being painstakingly restored. The rhythmic clang of hammers on metal echoed through the workshop as dents were smoothed and battered panels were reshaped. Welders fused fractured steel, mending the wounds of a lifetime of neglect. Layers of primer transformed the patchwork of repaired metal into a clean, uniform canvas. Finally, the first coats of deep, lustrous paint were applied, breathing color and life back into the skeletal frame, returning the ghost to its solid, commanding form. The final stage was a symphony of reassembly. With a palpable sense of anticipation, each restored component was carefully returned to its rightful place. The chassis, now gleaming and robust, was reunited with its engine. Wheels were mounted, the cabin was fitted, and the intricate wiring was painstakingly connected. Every action was precise, a carefully choreographed sequence bringing the disparate parts together into a cohesive whole, the truck slowly, but surely, taking shape once more. Then came the moment of truth. With a turn of the crank, the engine sputtered. A cough, a shudder, and then a deafening roar that shattered decades of silence. Gauges that had been dormant for a generation flickered to life, their needles dancing in response to the engine's powerful pulse. The garage doors opened, and bathed in sunlight for the first time in an age, the 1923 Kelly-Springfield rolled forward, its polished chrome and gleaming paint reflecting a world it had not seen in a lifetime. This is more than just a restored truck. It is a bridge to the past, brought to us by the technology of the future. The 1923 Kelly-Springfield rides again, a magnificent tribute to the pioneers who built it and a symbol of what is possible when we honor history while embracing innovation. Its journey from a forgotten wreck to a roadworthy masterpiece is a testament to the enduring power of human passion and the limitless potential of our tools. Some legacies are not meant to be forgotten, and this one is now ready to inspire for another 100 years.